What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be learning about the visual rules of CSS. So to kick things off, we have the font family. So if you've ever used word processing software like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, chances are that you've also used the feature that allows you to change the font you were typing in. The font refers to the technical term typeface or font family. So some common ones are Arial, Times New Roman. You probably use that in school, but those are the font types. But to change the typeface of the text on your web page, you can use the font family property. So for example, if you choose the H1, change it to Garment or Garmund, that'll change the font. In the example above, the font family for all main heading elements will be set to Garment. When setting typefaces on a web page, keep the following points in mind. The font specified must be installed on the user's computer or downloaded with the site. Web-safe fonts are a group of fonts supported across most browsers and operating systems. Unless you are using web-safe fonts, the font you choose may not appear the same between all browsers and operating systems. When the name of a typeface consists of more than one word, it's a best practice to include them in quotes, like so. Okay, you'll take a deeper look into typography, later. But let's go ahead and run some practice. So inside the style.css, set the font family of the H1 and subheading H2 to Georgia. Note that certain font changes may be hard to recognize at first. Feel free to move and add the declaration a few times until you notice the change. Okay, so we'll do font family, and then we'll do Georgia. Georgia. We'll copy Georgia down. Actually, we can just copy the whole thing because we all know what we're doing here. And then we'll make that like that, and then voila, there you go. Next, add a style rule that sets the font family of the paragraph P to Helvetica. Okay, we'll do font family. Oh, there you go. Perfect. Now, I just want to look at here. This is just so nice. This website actually looks so nice. There's a little gradient. It just looks really nice. But yeah, that's gonna do it here. So that's essentially how to change the fonts on a website. It's really not that difficult, and it's actually pretty fun to mess around with different ones. But if you did find this helpful, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.